Okay, so Google just did something and I genuinely think it's a big deal. They launched their own AI agents. Not a smarter search, not a better chatbot, an actual agent that runs in the background, manages your Gmail, your calendar, your files, and take actions for you while you're literally doing something else. They're calling it Gemini Spark, and I've been covering AI agents on this channel for a while now, and this one actually got me excited. So let me break it down: what it is, what it does, and honestly, what I think about it.
So, what even is Gemini Spark? It's Google's version of an AI agent, and I want to focus on that word agent because there's a real difference between this and everything else you've used before. A chatbot answers your questions, you open it, you type something, it responds, you close it, and that's it. An agent is different. An agent actually goes and does things. It's built to take actions on your behalf, not just answer you, but work for you. This is what you're looking at right now. This is Gemini, Google's AI that's been quietly getting a lot more powerful. And the direction Google is taking it is exactly what I described. The idea is simple. Instead of you going to the AI every time you need something, the AI is already running, already working, already inside every Google product you use every single day. Gmail, Docs, Calendar, and Drive. No new app to download, no setup, it's just there. Google said it themselves. This transforms Gemini from an assistant that answers your questions into an active partner that does real work on your behalf. That's not a small update, that's a completely different product. Okay, so what does it actually look like in practice? This is where it gets interesting. Inside Gemini, you can create custom gems, and a gem is essentially a dedicated agent built for one specific job. Think of it like hiring someone for a role. One agent handles your inbox, another manages your calendar, and another tracks a project. Each one knows exactly what it's doing and why. This one right here, I'm calling it the daily inbox agent, for example. Its job is simple. You give it your emails, it tells you what actually needs your attention today and what doesn't. No more opening 50 emails and figuring it out yourself. We literally built a version of this a few weeks ago using make.com, but the fact that Google is now building this natively right inside your existing Google account, that is the big deal. Because the barrier to entry just went to zero. You don't need to know how to code, you don't need to connect APIs, you don't need to build a workflow. You just tell it what you want, and it does it for you. Plain English. That's it. And that's the shift that matters. Now, I know some of you are thinking, we already have ChatGPT, we have Claude, we have Make and N8N for automation. So what's actually new here? A few things that matter a lot actually. First, it's already inside Google. Look at this. These gems are sitting right inside the same account where you have your Gmail, your Drive, your calendar, and everything else. So everything is already connected. Again, no API keys, no authentication, no workflows to build from scratch. This is a massive advantage over every other tool out there. Second, the reach. Google has over 1 billion users. When they ship something like this, it doesn't stay in the tech community. It reaches your clients, it reaches everyone, your boss, your parents. That's how something goes from niche to mainstream, when Google puts it in front of everyone. And third, and this is the one that actually changes things, they're not building a better chatbot here. They're building infrastructure for AI agents to become a normal part of how people work. And you're right at the beginning of that. Is it perfect? No. There is a lot still being built out, but the direction is undeniable. So, what does this actually mean for you? Everything we've been talking about on this channel just got validated in the biggest way possible. When Google puts AI agents at the center of their product strategy and says, this is where everything is going, that's not a niche thing anymore. Understanding how agents work is about to become one of the most valuable things you can know. But the businesses are going to want more than the basics. They're going to want agents built for their specific workflows, their specific tools, and their specific problems. And the people who actually understand how to build this stuff, not just use it, but build it, are going to be in a very different position from everyone else. And this is the one I keep coming back to. Google entering this space doesn't kill the opportunity. It creates more demand. Because now everyone is going to start asking, can we have an AI agent for this? Can we automate that? Can we build a version of this for our team? And someone has to build those things. That's why I keep saying, Learn this now, not in a year, now.
Anyway, that's Gemini Spark, and I think it's one of the more exciting things to come out of the AI space recently. I want to know why you think though. Are you excited about this or are you skeptical? Do you think Google is actually going to follow through? Drop it in the comments and I genuinely read all of them. And if you want to stay on top of everything happening in the AI industry, the new tools, the builds, and what actually matters versus what's just noise, subscribe. New video every week. See you on the next one.